Okay, so here we have, this is going to show you corrosion happening, galvanic corrosion happening. We take some white vinegar, which is slightly acidic, some iodized salt, or any kind of salt, which helps, it's an electrolyte, it helps electrical current move through liquid. And we have our vinegar in this cup right here. Now we've got a piece of brass, and to act as an anode, which will give up particles. We've got a piece of galvanized tubing here that I'm hoping will receive particles. So we want to take, and we've got about a, I think it's 5 milliamp power source here, plugged into up there. We're going to put the cathode in the liquid, and then we're going to hook up our anode. Whoops, I'm not showing it. Our anode is going to give up some of its material to the cathode. Now you can see once we hook up, that didn't work. Once we hook our electricity to our anode, we start to have a reaction. The bubbling is from ions moving from the anode and depositing on the cathode. As they deposit on the cathode, it creates some hydrogen gas and oxygen, and those are the bubbles you see coming up. If you can see that, hopefully you can. But we'll let this sit, and this is basically the electroplating process. Whenever you see plated bolts, or they can do this with chrome. This is how they do chrome. They have to do a couple different processes first to get to chrome. But this is just a piece of brass as an anode and a galvanized piece of tubing as a cathode. The anode, once again, is giving up its material. It's basically corroding right now, and the material is being deposited onto the cathode, which is the tube. And in a minute I'll see if I can show the results of what's going on now.